Welcome to NorAI, your family-friendly Quranic Arabic learning companion designed to help adults and children understand the Quran word by word. You can download NorAI from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, create your account and choose the learning mode that suits you: adult, family, or kid. For an adult account, enter your name and continue with your email address. You can also sign in directly using your Google or Apple account. If you choose email, a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code and your account will be ready to use. For a family account, follow the same sign-up process by entering your name and email address, or sign in directly using your Google or Apple account. If you choose email, a verification code will be sent to your inbox. Once verified, you can create and manage multiple accounts for your children through family mode. To add a child account, tap Add New, enter the child's details, and confirm. NorAI will then provide a one-time code and a QR code, allowing you to securely connect the kid's account to your family account. Once connected, your family is ready to begin learning with NorAI. From your family account, you can track each child's progress, view their current level, and monitor the time they spend using the app. NorAI, a simple way for your family to understand Quranic Arabic, word by word.
Download NorAI today.